Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Tales. I'm so happy you found this podcast. Here, we don't just learn English, we feel it, understand it, and live it through stories. Each episode brings you a new story about everyday life. Short, simple, and full of useful English expressions. Sometimes our stories will make you smile. Sometimes they might touch your heart. But every time you'll learn something new, something real, something natural. In this podcast, you'll hear slow, clear English, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. After each story, we'll talk about the meaning and how you can use new words in your own life. So sit back, relax, and let's make learning English part of your daily life. If you enjoy stories and want to speak English naturally, you're in the right place. Make sure to follow the podcast and join me in the next episode. Tell me about yourself, where we'll explore how to introduce yourself in English in a real, natural, and confident way. This is Everyday English Tales, where every story teaches you something new.